Don't you feel guilty about wasting water? Everyone likes a beautiful garden or a terrace full of colorful plants. But gardens and plants need fresh water, and reserves are being depleted globally faster than you think. Odo is a complete and flexible solution for the irrigation of your garden or terrace. Odo is simple and easy to install. It knows the water needs of your plants and automatically adjusts the irrigation profile to weather forecasts and to soil conditions. This flexibility improves efficiency and water saving. Our technology for data transmission is the core of the product. It works at a low frequency that allows a wider range and low battery consumption. Odo is connected to the cloud and constantly monitors the weather forecasts from the web. It also compares this data for a double check with its embedded weather station. It's plug and play and compatible with every existing irrigation system. Odo is completely automatic and easy to set up. You can manage your entire system by the palm of your hand and control the status of your garden wherever you are. Odo takes care of your plants for you, and you can easily control the entire process. It has an extensive plants database to control your cultivation through its sensors. You can always know the health status of your plants. The Odo app is the perfect tool to monitor and manage your system wherever you are. You just need an internet connection.
We are delighted to introduce you to Roby. Roby's not just a robot, it's a robotic learning platform.
Roby is the first commercially available 3D printed personalized robot. Roby balances on 2 wheels, has an onboard computer in which you can program to add new tricks. Roby was designed in an open source community in which ideas are shared by people just like you.
It can walk on 2 wheels or drive on 4. It can even use tracks. No matter what age, you'll have fun building Roby yourself or with your family with our step-by-step guide. You can make Roby smarter with our full onboard computer. You can create its personality to your liking while learning programming. You can add computer vision, sensors, and learn basic electronics principles. You can even teach Roby to understand your voice commands.
Roby, what time is it?
The time is 11:15. Hello, John, how are you today?
Doing good. Thanks, Roby.
When you buy a Roby kit, you will get all the critical components to build your own Roby. In the process, you can customize the design and the capabilities of your robot.
We at Socially Shaped are passionate about bringing these quality STEM toys to the marketplace so that kids can become more technically savvy.
At Noki, we thought the lock industry could use a little shaking up, so we created the Noki Padlock, the world's first smart padlock. Noki has won numerous awards and has been recognized as a game-changing innovation. However, some people need an extra level of protection, so we created the Noki U-Lock. Incorporating all the cutting-edge technology used in the original Noki into a practically indestructible hardened steel body, the Noki U-Lock will protect your bicycle or motorbike in the toughest environments, while also giving you easy access using only your smartphone. Available with an app for iOS, Android, and Windows phones, the Noki U-Lock uses wireless Bluetooth technology. When clicked, it automatically looks for a phone with a compatible key and unlocks. You don't even need to remove your phone from your pocket or purse. Just click and go. No more worrying about lost keys or forgotten combinations. Sharing your bike with others is easy. With just a couple taps, you can quickly and securely share your bike with your friends. Even better, you can revoke access automatically without needing to track down keys. The Noki U-Lock incorporates a long-life rechargeable battery that will last several years between charges. But we wanted the Noki U-Lock to do even more, so we added an alarm. After locking Gnocchi, hold down the button to arm the alarm function. If someone tampers with your Gnocchi for more than 3 seconds, a loud alarm will shriek for 30 seconds, drawing attention and likely scaring off the intruder. The alarm function resets every time you open Gnocchi. The history function in the app shows you who, when, and where Gnocchi was used. What if your phone dies or is lost? Not a problem. Just key in your custom quick-click code. This ensures that you'll never be left stranded. In the unlikely event that you ignore the warning in the app and let your battery die, you can always give Gnocchi a jumpstart with an external battery. Finally, maybe you don't have a smartphone or prefer to bike without it. We've got you covered. Just add the optional key fob to your order and you'll be able to access Gnocchi with or without your smartphone.
We're Kids Hack Day, and during the last 2 years, we've been running technology workshops for kids all over the world.
Based on this experience and our work with Strawbees, we have created a maker toy combining programming, electronics and mechanics. We call it the QuirkBot, and it's a toy to make toys.
QuirkBot is the microcontroller toy that anyone can program. It works with Arduino and the construction toy Strawbees. With squeeze-on electronics, you can connect components to the legs of the QuirkBot by simply squeezing a straw over them. Snap on a backpack to add extra functions. With QuirkBot, it's easy for anyone to build an interactive project in an instant. The QuirkBot requires no soldering or breadboarding, and you can recharge it with a standard micro USB. Working with kids, we have designed an easy-to-use visual programming interface that runs directly in your browser, so you can create, modify, and share projects with your friends. QuirkBot adds life to your creations, bringing motion, sound, and light to almost anything. Regular straws become the framework for your imagination.
I'm an elephant.
We believe that making your own toys should be as fun as playing with them. So order your QuirkBot today and start making.
We love baking. From the smell of fresh-made cookies, the first bite of bread, straight out of the oven. We love to roll up our sleeves. We love to experiment and create, and we love to share our creations with the people who matter. But making sure everything turns out the way you want isn't always easy. There's a lot you need to get right along the way, from finding a great dish, to preparing your ingredients, from following complicated recipes, to nailing that killer presentation. Get one little thing wrong, and you're headed for baking fail infamy. But it doesn't have to be difficult. Meet Drop, the iPad-connected kitchen scale and digital baking assistant that makes baking a breeze and guarantees perfect results time after time after time. With Drop, you can bake old favorites or discover something new. Effortlessly halve, double, or quarter your recipes. Drop will even resize based on how much of an ingredient you have left. And when you're running low, Drop will suggest clever alternatives, helping you each and every step of the way. And when your little masterpieces are nearly ready, Drop will let you know. And then you're free to share your yummy deliciousness with the people who care. So march back into your kitchens, fire up those ovens, grab those spatulas, and be a baking hero.